everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a haul for you, and today's haul, in case you haven't guessed by the title of this video, is a... I've said it wrong. I can't say it like that. I've been back to the land where everything is £1, a few things are £2, and the odd naughty item is a £5. I've been back to Poundland, I've picked up some bits, and I've got lots of stuff to show you. I saw loads of great stuff in store, and I was snapping away for my home Instagram account, which is where I post any new things that have come into store, but maybe don't want to buy to show you on here. So do feel free to pop over there to follow me if you do want to see what's new in Poundland. I actually got told off in store for the first time. I think that's the first time ever that I've been told off in store for vlogging. I wasn't vlogging, I was taking photographs, sorry. Yeah, basically the security guard came over and told me off for taking photos while I was sort of crouched down at the bottom shelf trying to take a photograph of a ceramic, I think it was a llama trinket dish. Quite mortifying because he was quite loud, and then people in the store started to watch. So I was trying to explain what I was doing because I wanted to continue and I had things to buy. And then he just was quite loud, so the manager came over, which was even more awkward. And then I explained to the manager like that I do YouTube videos. Oh, it was so cringe. I pulled up the thumbnail from my stationery haul, and then I think he just looked at me like I was something not right with me, which is probably quite accurate. And he said, "It's fine, you carry on." So I carried on. I snapped lots of things and I continued picking up bargains, and I'm going to show you them now. Before we get going, let's have a quick sip of the coffee. I've got a Poundland mug just to keep it on theme, and this one says brain fuel, which I will be needing today because I can't talk today, which is really helpful when you want to record a YouTube video. And before we get into the haul, do click subscribe. I post new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this Poundland haul, do give it a thumbs up. Okay, the first thing that I got is this bumper roll of So Big Grime Buster multi-purpose household towel. These are extra large sheets, 3-ply, and they're good for mopping up spills for the kitchen, for the windows, for the bathroom, and you get 70 sheets that are the 3-ply. So for me, I actually use these more for DIY purposes. The Poundland DIYs are back, so if you want to see what I've been making with items from Poundland, then I'll link that video down below. But yeah, really handy just for like wiping off paintbrushes or any spills that I sort of create while I'm doing my DIYing. Also for DIYs, I picked up these latex gloves. These are really handy just to pop on if you're doing any painting so that you don't get paint all over your hands, or if you do, you can whip them off and you won't have hands covered in paint. But when I'm shooting my DIYs, these are very handy for mucky jobs, and then got clean hands to do the other bits. I picked up an obligatory box of Maltesers. These are the ideal thing to shove in your mouth while you're watching the telly, and there's nothing else to say about them. Let me know if you like to shove Maltesers in your mouth as well. And I also picked up a couple of cans of Diet Coke, and I'd forgotten I'd done that. I drank one of them, I just found one in the bag, and I'm delighted. They say things on them. This one says Yas. Yas! So I'll be having that later. And I picked up some Vical. This is really good for getting rid of limescale, and this one is in Febreze Freshness Fresh. I do use products like this sparingly, but sometimes I just find that I need that little extra boost with the limescale situation, especially on the shower. I think it's London water for you, but it is hard. If you've got soft water, I've said this before, you're very lucky. I'm just waving brushes because these are also for the bathroom cleaning situation. I thought these would be really good to get in amongst like the toilet or in the grout for scrubbing with. Anyone else get muck in their grout? I'm sure you all do. It's not something we care to admit really, is it? But muck in grout can be a common household problem, and this brush is going to sort my mucky grout out. Would you like to see a clean with me? I don't really clean very often, so it would be quite a challenge to shoot that one because I'm quite lazy when it comes to cleaning. But if you'd like to see a speed clean with me, then let me know and we could try to arrange that. I've got some gift bags to show you. This caught my eye with the cactus, like a neon lamp design, which I thought was really nice. And let's open this up and see what the other designs are like. I feel like they always put the good one on the front, and then you're usually left with two quite generic, bland ones. I mean, yeah, that's hidden, isn't it? For a reason. It's all right, but it's not that, is it? That's marginally better. I think that's why they put that one at the back. They've sandwiched this one because it's not as good, in my opinion. Which one's your favourite? It's got to be that one, right? These are called, we haven't done the labels today. What am I thinking? These are called gift bags. In the land where everything is £1, sometimes things are £2, and very, very rarely do I pick them up. However, these I thought were worth the extra expense. These are jumbo storage bags, ideal storage stuff. It says 54 centimetres by 26 by 48 centimetres. So they're these giant storage bags. And on the label, it says laundry bag. So I don't think I'll be keeping laundry in this. I'll be keeping clothing in this and popping it under the bed. So rather than using a vac pack, is that what you call them? I thought these would be really good, so you can fold the clothes in and then just slide it in under the bed sideways. So I'll probably be popping all my, I nearly said all my autumn and winter clothes, no I won't. That'll be coming out, and I'll be popping in all my spring summer wardrobe under the bed, switching it over. And good to keep the moths away as well, because it's nice and solid, and I just quite like the simple design on that. So I thought they were good value for £2. Do you get two? No, why does it say two? So just to give you an idea of the size, oh, it's not as big as I thought it would be. It's not bad though. It's wide and deep, so yeah, I think that would be good for storing like sweaters and stuff under the bed still. So I got some toothpaste. I got this Colgate Deep Clean Whitening. This is with baking soda, and you get 100 ml. And I also got this deodorant, which I always use. It is the Sure 48 Hour Protect Sensitive, and it's just a roll on, and I find that is really, really efficient. That's all there is to say about it, really. I picked up some fabric softener. I got this Lenore. It's got 19 washes in it, and it says extra free. It doesn't say how much extra free. Don't know what you normally get, but I do like Lenore. I think it's a good one. I picked up another of these big baskets. You may have seen these in my recent homeware haul where I bought them in grey. This one is in black, as you can see, and it just says wire storage basket. These are really good size. These again are £2, so a little bit more pricey, but I think well worth it. I've seen similar sizes like this in somewhere like Primark Home for around the £5 mark. Even in Tiger and places like that, they would definitely be more than £2 for this size, and they're really good for storing all kinds of different things. So I'm on the hunt for some more of these, so if I see them in store, I will be picking them up. And then the last things I've got to show you, these I think are brilliant. These are cocktail candles. So the first one that I've got to show you here is the margarita one. I just thought the packaging on these looked really good. I thought they'd make really nice little gifts if you've got a cocktail lover in your life. You could choose their favourite cocktail, because they've got a few different ones to choose from. So this one is the margarita. It just says scented candle. It's beginning to look a lot like cocktails. Better things are coming, the cocktail experience. And yeah, it just says do not burn for more than 4 hours at a time. It doesn't say what scent it is. It's got 15 hours burn time, and it's a scented glass candle. The candle's not glass. They also have pina colada. If you're like Del Boy and you enjoy a little pina colada, then that could be for you, Rodney. For any Sex and the City fans out there, they've got the Cosmopolitan one as well. I absolutely love a Cosmopolitan personally. Are you a fan of a Cosmo? Let me know. And then they've got one of my favourite drinks. This may not be any surprise to you. This is the gin and tonic one as well. So I thought really nice candles, really nice gift ideas as well. So you could just pick up one of these with someone's favourite drink, and then maybe pop this in with like the ingredients to make that drink. So you could get like the gin and tonic one for a gin and tonic lover, and maybe buy them a nice bottle of gin, bottle of tonic water, shove a lemon in, pop it in a little hamper, you'd be good to go. You could do the same with the Cosmopolitan one. You could do the pina colada one and whack a pineapple in a hamper. How good would that look? So that's everything I've got to show you from Poundland. Do let me know in the comments which item was your favourite, and do head over to my Instagram home account, Mr. Carrington Home, where you can see more of my Poundland finds that I just didn't buy but really, really liked, including that ceramic llama that got me into trouble in store. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this haul. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thought it was just pushed a staple into my thumb, which was fun.